The future of high-speed travel is being redefined, and one name is starting to generate serious global attention: the County Route 450 high-speed train. Designed to push the limits of modern rail technology, this next-generation train represents not just speed, but a complete transformation in how people experience long-distance travel. Imagine stepping into a train that feels more like a luxury aircraft cabin than traditional rail. As the doors close and the train begins to move, there's almost no vibration, no loud mechanical noise, just a smooth, silent glide. Within minutes, the County Route 450 accelerates beyond what most current high-speed trains can achieve, aiming for speeds that approach or even exceed 450 kilometers per hour. That's faster than many commercial airplanes during takeoff. What makes the County Route 450 so special is not just its speed, but the engineering behind it. Developed under the vision of China Railway, this train is part of a larger mission to dominate the future of global rail transport. Engineers have redesigned everything from the train's aerodynamic shape to its internal systems. The nose of the train is longer and more streamlined, reducing air resistance significantly. This allows the train to cut through the air with minimal drag, which is essential at ultra-high speeds. But speed alone isn't enough. Safety is the foundation of the CR450. Advanced AI-based monitoring systems constantly analyze track conditions, weather changes, and mechanical performance in real time. If anything unusual is detected, the system can react faster than any human operator. This level of automation ensures that even at extreme speeds, passengers remain completely safe. Inside the train, the experience is just as revolutionary. Passengers are welcomed into a modern, spacious environment with ergonomic seating designed for long journeys. Smart windows automatically adjust brightness depending on sunlight, while noise cancellation technology creates a peaceful atmosphere. There are digital displays that provide real-time updates on speed, route, and arrival time, making the journey feel interactive and futuristic. One of the most impressive aspects of the County Route 450 is its energy efficiency. Despite its incredible speed, the train is designed to consume less energy per passenger compared to airplanes or even older high-speed trains. Lightweight materials such as carbon fiber composites are used throughout the structure, reducing overall weight without compromising strength. This not only improves speed but also lowers environmental impact. The County Route 450 also represents a major step forward in sustainability. As countries around the world look for greener transportation solutions, high-speed rail is becoming a key alternative to air travel. By reducing carbon emissions and energy consumption, trains like the County Route 450 could play a huge role in combating climate change. It's not just about getting somewhere faster, it's about doing it responsibly. Another major innovation lies in the train's track interaction. At such high speeds, even the smallest imperfections in the track can create challenges. To solve this, the County Route 450 uses advanced suspension systems and precision engineering to maintain perfect stability. The train almost floats over the tracks, delivering a ride so smooth that passengers can barely feel the motion. Connectivity is also a major focus. In today's world, being online is essential, even while traveling. The County Route 450 is expected to offer ultra-fast onboard internet, allowing passengers to stream content, attend virtual meetings, or stay connected with friends and family without interruption. This turns travel time into productive or enjoyable time, rather than wasted hours. Globally, the introduction of the County Route 450 could change transportation patterns. Routes that once required flights could be replaced by high-speed rail journeys that are just as fast when considering airport wait times. City-to-city travel becomes easier, more efficient, and more comfortable. This shift could reduce pressure on airports and lower the overall cost of travel for millions of people. There's also a strong economic impact. High-speed rail networks have historically boosted regional development by connecting cities more effectively. With the CR450, this effect could be even stronger. Businesses can expand more easily, tourism can grow, and smaller cities can gain better access to major economic hubs. Of course, developing such a train is not without challenges. Building infrastructure capable of supporting these speeds requires massive investment and precision engineering. Tracks must be perfectly aligned, and maintenance standards must be extremely high. However, the long-term benefits often outweigh the initial costs, especially when considering efficiency, sustainability, and economic growth. The County Route 450 is not just a train, it's a symbol of technological ambition. It shows what's possible when innovation, engineering, and vision come together. It challenges the limits of what we think transportation can achieve and sets a new benchmark for future developments. As we look ahead, it's clear that high-speed rail will play a bigger role in global transportation, and the County Route 450 is leading that charge. It represents a future where travel is faster, smarter, safer, and more environmentally friendly. A future where distance is no longer a barrier, and where the journey itself becomes an experience worth remembering. The world is watching closely as this project moves forward. If successful, the County Route 450 could inspire other countries to invest in similar technologies, sparking a new era of high-speed rail competition and innovation. And for passengers, it means one thing above all: a completely new way to travel. This is not just evolution. This is a revolution on rails.